We are inside, you guys. So we are finally visiting the Friends experience today. So as soon as you walk in, they check your temperature. So they take your temperature right here. Here it is, guys. How you doing? Very well. On our way up, and then they have the Friends store right there. There's quite a big line, so we'll get into that later.
Yep, everybody over the age 18, you can grab a tablet and sign away. We do also have some QR codes you can scan if you want to do it on your phone at all. You have a QR code you can scan right here if you want to do it on your phone. You also have another tablet down there if you want to go that way.
Okay, we're all set, guys. So they just asked us to fill up a waiver. Just basic information. So let's go ahead and fall in line. So nice, and it's very organized. Just really nice. They have so many precautionary measures. It's really great. There's quite a few people in here. Please distance 6 feet apart.
Right this way, we will begin your episode. Have a great time.
Couch, you're more than welcome to. We'll be with you all this week.
After that, guys, welcome to the real world. It's off. Yes. Here it is. Oh my goodness. So these are real memorabilia. Oh my gosh. So let's start with Rosa. Rachel Green, Monica Geller, Chandler Bang, Joey Tribbiani, and Phoebe Buffet. The one with Rosa. Oh my goodness, so this is the actual script. Oh, that's so nice. See their signatures. The 100th episode. We have the making of the show right here. Studio lot. Okay. Central Perk. Monica and Rachel's apartment. Rachel's bedroom. Oh, what? Chandler's office. Hallway. So cool. Behind the scenes. do Rachel. Oh, that is so cool. Hairstyles through the years. Oh my god. The natural curl. Ponytail. Oh, still picture her face. She flees her wedding, clambering out of bedroom window and into the arms of friends on her own for the first time. Rachel is determined to make her own way in the world and gonna get one of those job things. And so she does. Oh my god! Do you guys remember this? Here it is, guys. I'm sure all of you knows this. The 18-page back-to-back letter, front and back. Oh my god, my dear sweet cross. I can tell you how much emotion has swept across me in the last few hours. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh, that's so fun. The one with Pat the dog.
They're sittable. This one's unfortunately a cross only. So you guys can go 2 at a time or huddle around for a group photo.
Oh my gosh! Chandler and Joey's apartment.
And the chairs do recline also on the right hand side. Little lever.
The one about Joey and Chandler. Oh my gosh! Oh, the drawing scene behind the doors. Remember? This is so cool. Oh my gosh, I remember this. I'm sorry. Oh my god. And I love how it says where you can find it from, like which season and episode. That is so cool. The one with all the guest stars. Oh, this is so cool. I feel like they have more. So cool though. Remember this, of course. Ha ha ha. But Rara was a recurring nightmare when he was younger. That Monica was going to eat him. Oh. Aw, Roland Chang? I didn't know that. Ross! Yeah, the red car. Line, please. Yeah, that one. So cool. You've been I love that. The one about Joey Tribbiani. Oh my gosh.
Who stayed in who?
Who stayed at home? Before and after Ross found his lobster Rachel. Chandler and Micah found each other, Phoebe found Mike, and Jamie found a meatball song. Huh. The dinner lives of our 6 friends was a bit dizzy. Here's an easy to follow flow chart of their love interest. Okay, I'm more interested in Chandler's. Janice, Aurora, Janice again, Susie, Janice, Mary Angela, Joanna, Kathy. Oh yes, Kathy. Janice and Monica. Oh, that is so cute. Till the very end. That is awesome. This is so cool. Love that. Was Chandler. That is so cool. 80s flashbacks. Oh, so fun. Guiding tips from Monica Geller. I love this part. I love this so much.
So I moved everything around and then I forgot where it went back. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry.
And the window, guys. That was so cool, you guys. The apartment. Okay, moving on. Oh my god. What? TV's jukebox. So cool, you guys. That is it, guys. We are done. It was very quick. I feel like it's only lasted for like 30, 40 minutes, I would say. But it's really nice. It's nice to see all the memorabilia. But I feel like since there are a lot of people, it feels like it's being rushed or anything. But still, good experience. We still love it. And we still had a good time. So, yeah, that is that. So, this is the store, guys. We're just looking around. If there's something we want to buy. Oh, this is nice. Ah. Some merchandise. The Friends Experience the Work in Chicago. A few more. I love the mug. Let's get the mug. Yeah. Few more books. I feel like this is such a good buy.
This one is, yeah, but it's
This is more like behind the scenes information, I guess. We have a planner, a cookbook, Hi guys, so we're just getting this book right here. We really do love to know more about the movies and series or even Broadway that we are watching. So it's really nice. And everything else seems like a good buy as well. But we're just gonna get that and this mug right here. And then we should be all set. We feel like we bought a lot of Friends merchandise in the past already. We have shirts, sweatshirts, and everything. So just this two would be perfect. So we're at Central Perk again, but this one looks different because these are actually Lego, which is really cool. So if you look at that, everything is made of Lego. How surreal is that? So cool, you guys. That is it, you guys. This is the Friends experience, the one in Chicago. We hope you guys enjoyed this. Please do leave your comments down below. We would love to hear your thoughts, your opinions, or just any comments you have, especially to those who are also Friends lovers like us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you did enjoy this. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to our new channel. This is Eliza sending love and light your way. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!